Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Starting with the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most gracious. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aksa Bashir and I am from grade A. Today is my presentation and my presentation topic is Bohr's atomic model. Basically, what is Bohr atomic model? In 1913, a scientist named Bohar presented an atomic theory to overcome the defects of Rutherford's atomic model. Now, to understand the Bohr atomic model or the Bohr's atomic theory, I will give a quick review about what were the defects of Rutherford's atomic model. According to Rutherford's atomic model, the electrons or any charged particle when revolves around the nucleus, it emits energy and they will eventually fall into the nucleus. However, it's not true. Bohr realized that electrons must orbit the nucleus just like how our planets or other planets orbit the sun. And from this he got the idea and the Bohr atomic model was created. Now we will discuss the postulates of Bohr's atomic model or the main points of Bohr's atomic model. The number one is each electron revolves around the nucleus in a fixed circular path. We can also name it a shell, an orbit, or energy levels. The next one is each orbit has a fixed energy, means each of these level 1, level 2, or we can call them energy level, orbits, shells, or whatever you want. Okay, so all of these have their own fixed energy. And remember, so does electron. Electron only exists in quantized energy level. Quantized means fixed. Rutherford's atomic theory was that any charged particle when it revolves around the nucleus, it emits energy. But Niels Bohr proved that wrong with his atomic model or theory. That was, as long as electrons are revolving around the nucleus in a specific orbit, it does not lose or gain energy. And he said that energy is released only when electron jumps from higher to lower. And energy is absorbed when electron jumps from lower energy level to higher energy level. For example, we have this electron in orbit number 1 and it jumps to orbit number 3. Here the energy will be absorbed. These were the postulates of Bohr's atomic model. Now let me recall what were they. One was that electrons revolve in only a circular orbit, or you can say in a fixed circular orbit or energy levels. Each orbit has a fixed energy levels, and as long as electrons are revolving around the nucleus, they do not gain or lose energy. Energy is only released when an electron jumps from higher to lower, and energy is absorbed when electron jumps from lower to higher. This is how an electron revolves in an orbit around the nucleus. This was my presentation on Bohr's atomic model. Thank you.